Hey, what's up, guys? This is the Crypto Ninja coming to you live from a tropical paradise. Now, guys, if you're new to my channel, definitely make sure that you like and subscribe, okay? In today's video, guys, I'll be talking about some major winners that we've been hitting in Katana Strike, okay? We had Buttcoin. This thing is on a tear, okay? If you're in Katana Strike trading system with us, you purchased a million coins way down here for, less than 100 bucks. Now you're sitting on 15 grand, okay? Grandma was another one, okay? That's 7 grand from like less than 100. And then we got this WKC. This was a quick scalp. The entry, I think it was like 5K. So you could turn $5 into like 600 bucks. These are happening every day, guys. I just updated on the website. You can see right here, WKC. Entry was 8,000 market cap, guys. It's $8,000 for a million coins. And then we had Grandma, 32 bucks for a million coins. Now you're sitting on a nice bag, $7,000, guys. So yeah, things have really been heating up in the trenches. Okay, and make sure you guys are following me over here. I am giving some calls, but they're not as early. Okay, like Horse, that was 12 hours ago. That one's doing pretty good too. I think that one's like at it's like 2 mil now or something. Yeah. Oh, this is a different one. This isn't the right one. There's another Horse. It's like at 2 million. But anyways, yeah, guys, make sure you're subscribed, okay? And if you guys are struggling with meme coins, you're not making life-changing income yet, or you just keep losing money, then definitely check the links below, guys, okay? Because the Katana Strike, you get lifetime access, guys. You get lifetime access, okay? And the price just went up, but you can still get it on a payment plan, like if you're strapped. But this stuff is life-changing, guys. People coming in here, they're struggling. They don't know what to do. They keep losing money. This is a skill, this is a sport, this is a high performance skill sport that you can learn with me. I've been doing this for 7 years, and you can see some of these even hit 1000x, okay? So, and I've been hitting 100x coins since 2017. This isn't new to me, but check all the links below, guys. I got some testimonials from my Discord from my previous students that I was able to help change their lives. And yeah, this stuff is life-changing, guys. All it takes is one trade. You don't have to overtrade and be trading forever. You could just get into one coin, guys. You get one good trade, and you're not saying set up for life, but it's going to really change your situation, right? So basically, this coin was Grandma. It went like crazy. But I want to show you guys something too, like how you can get some free crypto today. Okay, so you can see right here, I have $80 in Mobi, right? Now I got this for free. One was a referral, but anyone that's watching this video, you guys can get like I think it's like 15,000 Mobi coins, and if you're trading on this platform, if you keep trading on this platform, eventually you're gonna get $500 in crypto. So it's really cool, guys. All you gotta do is you go up here and you click right on this thing here. It's the this where is it? Right here, airdrop. Okay, click on airdrop. Okay, sign with my link. Sign up with my link below. All you're gonna do is you're gonna click sign message. Okay, you're just gonna sign the message with your Phantom wallet. You can see my Phantom wallet right here. Sign the message, and then it's going to give you a code. And then once you get the code, you're gonna download the app on your phone, okay? And then you're gonna input that code when you install it on your phone, okay? When you do that, you can trade on your phone. You're gonna get I think like $70 in Mobi coins. You can't cash it out right away, but at least you'll have $70 in crypto. And if you keep trading on your phone, you're gonna be able to make an extra $500 just for trading. So it's a really no-brainer offer. And if you guys are needing money, everyone needs more money, right? So that would be a no-brainer to do that. I'll have my link below. It's 100% free to do. Like I said, I'm sitting on 50 or 80 bucks already. So once you hit 100,000 coins, you can cash it out and you can do whatever you want. You can stake it, you can trade it, you can use it to get in the Katana Strike or just to trade. And some great things about this site, guys, is you can see which coins are having all the whales that are aping in. You can obviously see on this one, there's a lot of whales taking profits. You can see sell, sell, sell. But yeah, you can see all this data in here, guys. Very powerful. It lets you know if there's bid support on these coins. This thing ripped like crazy. It ripped like crazy, guys. And I was talking about this on my timeline. If you scroll back on my timeline, I can show you this. All right, guys. So here it was on the 9th. Okay, this was on January 9th. Okay. Right here, you can see January 9th, okay? I was like, this thing, it's going to go, right? I'm trying to find the market cap on the 9th. Let's go back over to the coin, okay, on the 9th. Yeah, guys. So look at, even if you would have got it on my timeline, if you're following me on X, that's like a freaking 16x. Now, in Katana Strike, we got way more gains. We got way more earlier entry. But anyone on my timeline, if you guys are following me, that's a 16. No, it's a 19x, guys. I just spoon fed you guys a 19x for free. Like, I don't give out a lot of calls, but I know not everyone can afford the Katana Strike, because not for everybody, Guys, transformations are not cheap and they're not free, okay? But this stuff is life changing, and I'm giving you guys some value here from time to time of these coins, okay? And I also talked about Blackwell a lot, and that one ripped almost 10 mil. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Check all the links below if you guys are struggling or you keep losing money. I know that's a terrible feeling when you're seeing everyone next to you, making 100x, 200x gains, and you're just sitting on the sidelines losing money. So yeah, check all the links below, guys, and I will see you at the top.